A mysterious box. Once upon a time, there was a small town located in the middle of a forest that was known for its eerie and often unsettling tales. One of the most intriguing legends of the town was about a mysterious box that was said to contain a powerful and valuable treasure. The story goes that box was hidden in a secret location deep within the forest, and only those with pure hearts and worthy intentions could ever find it. This legend had been passing down from generation to generation, and many brave souls had ventured into the forest in search of the box, but none had ever returned with it. One day, a young man named Alex stumbled upon this legend and he became obsessed with finding the box. He read every book, listened to every story that he could get this hand on in order to prepare himself for this mysterious box. And the day approached that he had to follow his heart. On a bright and sunny morning, he packed his bags and set out on his quest to find the mysterious box. As he walked through the thick forest, he encountered many challenges and obstacles, but his determination never faltered. Days turned into weeks, and finally, Alex came across a clearing that he had never seen before. In its center stood a small wooden box, intricately crafted and emanating an otherworld's aura. Without hesitations, Alex reached forward and opened the box. As he lifted the lid, he was involved in a brilliant light, and he knew that he had found what he was looking for. As he stared, as he stared down, and the box contents, his heart was filled with joy and wonder. The treasure that he had uncovered was not gold or jewels, but rather A simple yet powerful message that read, the true treasures lies within you. From that day on, Alex returned to the town and he shared his story with all the who would listen. The legend of the mysterious box had finally been solved, and its true treasure was no longer hidden in the forest but rather within each and every person who had the courage to seek it out. Thanks to bear with me. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting stories. Thank you.